Hi, I'm Abul Islam, President and CEO of AI Engineers, and I'm excited to announce a major milestone for our company. AI Engineers has officially acquired the buildings and land at 905 and 909 Middle Street, the two properties directly in front of our headquarters in Middletown, Connecticut.
With this acquisition, we are expanding beyond our headquarters at 919 Middle Street and taking the next step in building a larger, interconnected corporate campus to support our continued growth and innovation. These buildings aren't just additional office spaces, they represent the next chapter of who we are as a company. As we grow, rather than scatter our teams across disconnected locations, we've decided to build something intentional, a true campus right here in Middletown, Connecticut, where our journey began. Over the coming months, you'll see this vision come to life in 3 phases, which has been designed by our in-house architects. The interior and exterior of the buildings will be remodeled and eventually physically connected, creating a collaborative, unified campus designed to bring our teams together and support the next stage of our growth. This transformation will unfold in 3 phases. Phase 1 will deliver a 10,000 square foot open, collaborative workspace, with occupancy targeted by late fall 2026.
So the clerestory windows will be panel 1, panel 2, panel 3 between these 2 beams, and there's going to be bigger windows all along.
Phase 2, expected in 2027, will focus on the upgrade and renovation of Building 905, expanding the campus with additional programming and amenity spaces.
With regard to the investment that we have made, we have equally made millions of dollars of investment just in the last year in the upgrading our data server.
Phase 3 in 2028 will connect all 3 buildings with a glass corridor with an entry foyer structure connecting Building 909 with 905, completing a unified state-of-the-art campus built for the next generation of work. When complete, this won't be 3 separate buildings. It will be one fully interconnected campus, which will further our growth goal based on extensive collaboration of all disciplines and technology, in person as well as virtual.
And that's improving life by design at AI Engineers.